Alright, fourth graders, here we go. So to start today's math lesson, I have an item in a bag. It's a mystery bag. And it ties into today's lesson. And I'll have this over at the small group table with me. And I want you to think about what might be in that bag. Now, we're going to look at a number. 3,286. So my question for you is this. What would this be in word form? How would you write that using words? And then something called expanded form. So think about those arrow cards we've done. What would this 6 be if it was an arrow card and we pulled it apart? What would this 8 be? What would this 2 be? What would this 3 be? What we're really doing is we're thinking about a number like this. So here's 3,286. And when I'm asking what the 8 really means, that 2 and that 3, like what number those would be, we're stretching that number apart and really examining what those numbers mean. So again, we had some arrow cards, and we pulled those arrow cards apart. We pull them apart. What would that 8 be underneath? What would that 2? And what would that 3 be? And then how would we write this in word form?